Okay, what is optimal pricing principle for joint products monopolies? Again, we can use same principle of profit maximization for any firm in any market structure. That is, marginal revenue equal marginal cost. Additional revenue from producing one more unit should cover the marginal cost or additional cost, right? So that principle still apply here, and we are looking at the monopolies that uses single production process, so it has only one marginal cost curve, but then it generates marginal revenue from multi-products. So how do we calculate marginal revenue from joint products? So the principle is we will generate the total marginal revenue curve, which is the vertical summation of the two marginal revenue curve for the individual products A and B. In this case, since each A-B bundle of output generates revenue from both products. Let's apply this total marginal revenue concept to profit maximizing price for this joint products monopoly. So again, this monopoly uses one single process to produce product A and B. So given two different demand function imply multi-products, different market for A and B, but then one single production process, so one total cost function or one marginal cost function. So marginal cost is given yellow, one line, and you have two different demand function. As you have linear demand curve, you can derive marginal revenue for each product. Vertical intercept is same as the market demand, and it's twice steep as market demand, right? So this blue curve will be marginal revenue for product A. This blue curve will be marginal revenue for product B. Then according to total marginal revenue from joint product, the additional benefit or additional revenue, marginal revenue from producing product A will be here, and marginal revenue or additional benefit for producing that same unit of product B will be up to here. The total marginal revenue for producing that unit of product A and for the product B will be the vertical sum, the vertically stacking up these two blue curve. You can get this total marginal revenue curve that is drawn as pink line, right? But once the output level reaches Q0, you don't want to produce any more product B because it generates negative marginal revenue, which means only reducing your total revenue. So you stop producing product B once you reach Q0 for both products. So for any output greater than Q0, we'll be only producing output A, product A. So total marginal revenue will be equal to marginal revenue for product A. So total marginal revenue curve will be steep like here as you vertically stacking up and adding up MR marginal revenue A and B. But once you reach quantity Q0, you're only adding up marginal revenue for product A. So there'll be kink at Q0 level of output. But then luckily marginal cost here is high enough to make intersection with total marginal revenue curve at this point where quantity equal Q. So that's the optimal profit maximizing or optimal output for these two joint product A and B. So Q, where marginal revenue and total marginal revenue and marginal cost intersect, that's the output level for A and B. So Q equal QA and QB. And then at that output level, you can also find market price for product A and B by tracing back on the demand function. So when QA equal Q, then at this output vertically going up, and on the demand function, price should be PA for output product A, and at that same output Q, product B should price according to demand function PB. So again, be careful not to tracing back or inserting this quantity Q back to marginal revenue. Always price will be found by using demand function as you do also for single product monopolies in previous chapters, right? So that's it. And again, remember that when products output Q, it's the optimal profit maximizing or optimal quantity, marginal revenue for both products should be positive or at least 0. If optimal output found here as the case in B here, figure 8.6, if the intersection occur here, and Q1 is optimal output, but at this Q1, product B reaches negative output, negative marginal revenue, so you don't produce between Q1 and Q0, you destroy or take that amount Q1, Q0 product B from the market and only produce Q1 amount of output, and you stop at Q0 for product B. Thanks for watching.